If you are experiencing a water damage, sewage, mold emergency, SoCal Water Damage and Remediation Services is here to help. We provide prompt, reliable water, sewage, and mold removal with a 1-hour response 24/7. We will bring your home or business back to normal before you know it. We feature certified technicians with the latest, greatest restoration equipment and technology, ensuring efficient service and outstanding results. We will work with your insurance company directly on your behalf with proper billing and dry out procedures from start to finish. So call us anytime for any questions or concerns with water damage, sewage cleanup, or mold remediation at 888-441-6653 or on the web at www.socalwaterdamageservices.com.